Hey guys, this is Harshita and welcome back to my channel. So it's summer and all I can think of is just mangoes. So here is a super simple mango ice cream recipe. These are the ingredients required for this recipe. Now without further ado, let's get started. So heat a pan and add 1 cup of mango puree. That is, just take 1 Alfonso mango and blend it into a smooth paste. Do not add any water or milk while blending it. Now make sure that your flame is on low during the whole process because you don't want to burn it. Now saute it for about a minute. To this add half a cup of sugar and just saute it until the sugar melts. Now to this add juice of half a lemon and just saute it. Now you'll see that you have a smooth and a thicker paste, puree. So just let it cool down. Now here I've refrigerated the bowl and the beaters. This is very important. And to this add half cup of whipping cream. It's chilled whipping cream. Now it's very important that the cream and the bowl, both of them are chilled. Otherwise the whipping cream is not gonna get stiff. Now just beat it starting from low speed and you gradually move to the highest speed and make sure you keep scraping the sides of the bowl. Now start beating it on the highest speed. So now there are like stiff peaks. Just tilt the bowl, and if the whipping cream doesn't fall off, then your whipping cream is ready. Now add the puree to it. Now we're just gonna beat it for about 30 seconds because we don't want to overbeat it. And now just mix everything well with your spatula. Now add half a cup of milk to it. Now here I have orange red food color. This is optional. If you want you can add it or you can just skip it. I'm just adding it for a bit of color. Just mix it well and it's done. Now just take an airtight container and put your whipped cream mixture into it. Using your spatula, just spread it evenly. Now gently tap it so that it sits well. Now is the most difficult thing, sitting and waiting for hours. So refrigerate it for a minimum of 8 hours. I refrigerated overnight and this is how it looks. So to scoop it, you can use an ice cream scooper or you can just use a spoon like me. Just dip it in hot water so that it comes out easily. Doesn't it look yummy? So that's it guys, it's done. Isn't it a super simple recipe and it's homemade? So yeah, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.